Hi, my name is Kellyanne and I'm Client Services Manager here at Koozai. In this video, I'm going to show you can edit page titles and meta descriptions using the SERP Snippet tool in Screaming Frog. This feature is a little hidden away and is quite often missed even by experienced users. It can be pretty challenging to work out pixel widths in Excel, so with this great feature you can just edit them directly in the tool and they will update in the interface to show you the pixel width and how they might be displayed in the search results. Any changes made are automatically saved in the tool, so you can make as many edits as you like, then export and send directly to your client for them to approve, or upload straight away to your website. So what you do, first of all, is you call the website using Screaming Frog. Then once you do that, you go down here and you look at SERP Snippet, probably a tab you've never noticed before. So you click on it, and then you expand the window, and you can see what the page title and meta description looks like in the search results. So you can see it on desktop, and you can see these dots here, so it means it's not going to be shown completely in your search results, the page title. And on mobile, you can see what it looks like, and on tablet. So you can then edit your page title, so you can make sure it fits on tablet, mobile, and desktop. So you can put in a new page title. And then you check to make sure it fits on tablet, it's fine. Mobile and desktop, it's all perfect. So then you will amend the description so it will fit on desktop, mobile, and tablet. So you go and check. So you've got to get rid of 28. And you can see it fits on mobile, desktop, and tablet, it's fine. And then if you make a mistake or you want to go back to the original, you just click reset title and description and it'll bring you back to the original you did on the crawl. And then if you're happy with that, you move on to the next page and you can adjust this as well. Once you've gone through and made all your page titles and meta descriptions, you then click export and you save a copy. And then once that's saved, you can send it on to your client or then use it to upload to your website. And that's it. That's how you can check your page title and meta description length in Screaming Frog. Thank you.